Now I'll go to the installation page. Sorry, it's not here. Let's start from the documentation. So here you see the GitHub link. The installation link is here. You should click that. And here you should choose your company repository. And you are presented with an option either to install it for all your repositories or only on selected repositories, okay? And here you can, I will choose, let's say, one of the repositories and just press install. Cool. You'll see black screen for redirecting. This is normal. And now you should all be here. Again, I will give you some few minutes, a few seconds to do that. Basically, what we did up till now, we connected gitStream service to GitHub. So it can get the events to apply the automations. From here, what we'll do, we'll create two files. One is the rule files. So the rule files are in a specific directory .cm, which stands for continuous merge. And in it, you can place rule files. We'll start with just one. The other thing that we are going to do is to place a GitHub action file, which actually you don't need to touch it after you install it, but this is actually the runner. This will trigger every time and we'll do the rule parsing and then call for the automations. So let's start with that. Okay, so I'll switch to my repo that I just installed gitStream, and I'll create a new file. And actually, GitHub did a pretty good job here in helping to add new files. This is the first one. So under .cm, put your default rule files, and I'll copy the rules. And just in I don't want just to give you the a way to read that. You see that the rule files holds automations, and you have like blocks of automations. Like Guy said before, you have for each automation you have if part and run part. Each of them is a list, so you can have multiple lines here. You can later edit this code or this condition. Don't do it just now. We'll start simple. And in here, you see actually the first rule that we are going to invoke, which actually adds the estimated time to review. Another thing I want to show you is that, yeah, it's YAML, but you see this double curly braces. These are actually dynamic expressions. So gitStream is not only something static. gitStream actually have a dynamic rule engine that you can use to check conditions. And later we'll go over the details here. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is to commit it directly to the main branch. You can also open it as a PR, but for the simplicity here, I will do it directly. And next, I'm going to add the other file, which is the GitHub action file. Again, file. This is called gitstream.yaml. The name is important because gitstream looks for this name to understand that you actually want to run automation in this repo. And I will paste it here. Again, I will commit it directly to the main branch for the simplicity. Now we have a new file here, .cm, gitstream.cm, and another file here under the GitHub workflows. Actually, we are done with the installation. This was it.